Listen, this is how you can save thousands of dollars per month skip tracing data with Deal Machine. All right, so boom, I am in my Deal Machine. So check this out. I'm gonna show you how I save thousands of dollars, right? Just by skip tracing in Deal Machine because it's included in my subscription. Shh, don't tell them I told you that because they might start charging us. All right, so yo, check this out, right? First thing first, you're gonna go to durudriving.com to get your 7-day free trial. You can, navigate and see how this works. But look, I'm gonna go to leads, right? I'm gonna go to leads, and then I'm gonna go to add leads, okay? And then once I hit add leads, I'm gonna hit import a list. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import a list, and now it's gonna upload my list, all right? And then need me to do some mapping. Now, you don't have to put the full name, but it helps sometimes. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna see what it gets back. These were automatically mapped. I'm gonna see what happens when I see how many I get back from my list. It's only 13 leads, right? But see, the reason why I like this software is because no matter if it's 13 leads or 2,000 leads, you know what I mean? It's gonna skip trace it, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna view my list. Now for me viewing my list, out of 13 leads, right? I got back 6. So that's not bad, all right? Normally on a skip trace, right? If I skip trace 1,000 names, I might get a good rate is like 33% or more. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start calling these people and take it from there. But do you see how simple that was? With Deal Machine, I uploaded 1,000 names, right? And I got back like 650, okay? Like I just told you, other servers, you're getting back like 33% of that. So, hey, listen, man, this is a game changer and time saver, etc. And I know some people are going to complain about the lost data, but I want to be 100% transparent. Let me say this. The accuracy of these numbers make up for the lost data. That's all I'm going to say. Hey, listen, but that's how I'm saving $25,000 a year skip tracing data by just running it through Deal Machine and start calling from there. Listen, guys, I'm Nasser, AKA the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Now, check out this video next to me to see exactly what else this app can do for you. Peace.